Hey there, Cash App users. Experiencing delays in your transactions can be frustrating, right? We're here to address a common issue that many users face: how to fix messaging delays on Cash App. Messaging delays can happen for various reasons, but don't worry. In this guide, we'll provide practical steps to minimize these delays and ensure that your transactions are as smooth as possible on Cash App. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first step to troubleshooting messaging delays is to assess your internet connection. Cash App functions best with a stable and strong internet signal. Whether you're on Wi-Fi or using mobile data, ensure that you are connected to a network with good coverage. If you're experiencing problems, try resetting your router or toggling the airplane mode on your phone to refresh the connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better for the app. Step 2. Update Cash App to the latest version. Having the latest version of Cash App installed is crucial for optimal performance. Older versions might have bugs that can cause messaging delays. To check for updates, visit your device's App Store, Google Play Store for Android, or the App Store for iOS, and see if there's a new Cash App update available. Regular updates bring new features, security patches, and performance improvements, which can help reduce any messaging lag. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Sometimes the app's cache and stored data might cause slowdowns or glitches. Clearing the cache can help resolve potential messaging delays. On Android devices, go to Settings, Apps, Cache App, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS, although there isn't a direct cache clearing option, you can offload the app by going to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Cache App, Offload App. This process can free up space and improve app performance. Step 4. If you're still encountering delays, the problem might be on Cash App's side. It's worth checking if there are any known server issues or outages. Visit websites like Down Detector or check Cash App's Twitter account for any announcements regarding service disruptions. If server issues are confirmed, you might need to wait for the Cash App team to resolve. Step 5. Reinstall Cash App. As a more advanced troubleshooting step, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Cash App. This process can fix underlying bugs that might be causing messaging delays. Before you uninstall, ensure that your login credentials are handy, as you'll need them to sign in again. Once reinstalled, complete the login process and check if the messaging delay. Once reinstalled, complete the login process and check if the messaging delay persists. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. If none of the above steps work, it's time to reach out to Cash App support for assistance. You can contact them directly through the app by tapping the profile icon and selecting support, or visiting their official website for more contact options. Provide as much detail as possible about your issue to receive tailored support. Experiencing messaging delays on Cash App can be bothersome, but by following these steps, you can address and potentially eliminate these issues. By ensuring a strong internet connection, keeping the app updated, clearing your cache, and staying informed about server issues, you can enjoy a smoother Cash App experience. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out to Cash App support for further assistance. Remember, staying informed and being proactive is key to tackling any technical hiccup. Happy transacting.